Hello folks, welcome back. Another healthy meal for you, Michael and Avril style. Yeah, here's the potatoes we'll need. Let's get cooking. Healthy meal for you. Now we're peeling the potatoes. We'll get our beef out in a minute. Yeah, this is how I peel it. Yeah, you can get a peeler too also if you like. We'll get it all peeled and washed up. Okay folks, all washed up. We'll cut it small so it'll boil. Will boil faster. Like that. Yeah, if you had time, you could cut it in like this also. And cook it like that. Alright, we're going to cut it like this so it'll cook faster. Alright, continuing on. Alright, our potatoes are boiling. Our potatoes are going to boil and we're getting it ready. And we got our pot here. Ready for our hamburger. Look at this pot, folks. It's good.
Oh my God, it's so old.
Yeah, it's old, but
thousands of hamburgers.
it works good. Hamburger makes its own grease, eh?
Yeah.
It won't stick. Yeah, good pan, these kind. It won't splash on. It'll keep your meat in there. We're gonna cook hamburger in here. Stay tuned. You'll wait to see at the end how the meal turns out. It'll be very delicious. Oh, melt in your mouth. Avril says. Okay, continuing on. The potatoes are boiling. Getting to boil. Yeah, that's what I said. All right. Yeah. Whoa, folks, look at that. It's coming along. You'll want to turn it at this point, and we're getting our hamburger ready. What's that, Avril?
And stir it so it doesn't make a mess, Michael.
Okay, I think I can do that. All right. It's educational to me. Wow. Again, it'll be delicious. There's the ground beef again.
We're gonna put a couple cups of water in there.
Yeah, oh, you're gonna put a couple of cups of water? Okay. I knew that.
Yeah, like boiling it.
Oh, once you cook, you'll know, eh?
We're gonna boil all the grease out of it.
Oh yeah, we're boiling it. Yeah, it's a healthy meal today, folks, for you.
We don't want greasy.
Some of these meals are very healthy for you. Some people, and some of the meals are for young people that can eat good meals. When you're young, you can eat good.
That can stomach it.
Yeah. All right. Continuing on again. I hope this video is educational.
Stir
Yeah,
your
we want to
potato.
eat good. Do you want to eat good? You cook good.
Stir your potato.
Okay, I'll stir the potato now and turn it down a bit. We're going to do a fast boil, fast meal. Healthy meal. Okay, folks, change of plans. We're going to cook it fast. I'm just going to watch it and stand here. Never leave your cooking till this cooks fast. Then we'll get our hamburger on.
Let it boil.
Okay. Just monitor it, eh? All right. Continuing on. I'm the monitor. Yummy. We'll have to get some moose meat one day. If I go hunting. Oh. Yeah, don't buy meat. I'm going hunting. Yeah. Oh, cool. Yeah, continuing on. Quick meal. We'll get back to work. Okay, we turned it down a little, but we kept it up high on 8. Avril doesn't want me to turn it too much because she wants to keep it solid.
Yeah, break apart.
Yeah, it'll break apart if I keep turning it. She wants to keep it, when you put it on the plate, it'll be like that. Yeah, we'll put it on the plate like that. All right. Potatoes first, then ground beef next. Okay, the potatoes are done. Well, Avril's gonna put on the ground beef. We'll get that one going. It's a healthy meal. We'll boil the grease out.
Yeah, we want all that grease out of
Yeah,
there.
grease is not good for you. Causes problems. All right, but you can, if you're younger, you can, your digestive system works better. Yeah, some of these meals are for young people, some are for healthy meals. All right, this will be a healthy meal, Michael and Avril style. All right, continuing on. All right.
3 cups of water.
Avril said 3 cups of water. She put one more and she put one more package of hamburger. So why did you put another packet in there?
Because I'm going to make 2 different meals with this.
Okay, you're cooking for?
The kids.
Yeah. All right, Avril's put more hamburger. She's going to cook for her kids and we'll get we'll show you the one meal, the healthy meal. What's the other meal you're going to make?
I'm going to make like hamburger and rice.
Hamburger and rice? Okay. All right, we'll continue on. Okay, folks, it's warming up. It's not boiling yet, but it's getting hot. I chopped up all the hamburger like that. Yeah. We'll boil it so it'll be healthy. Get the grease out. Anything boiled is healthy. Hey, bro, anything boiled is healthy, eh? All right, she said. All right, continuing on. It'll be very delicious. Thank you to Avril for showing us these meals. And we're going to get some corn in there too. Whoa, it just started to boil, folks. We'll turn it down now, maybe to 6. It was on max. We'll turn it down to 6. We'll get it just the right boil. Don't worry if you make a mess. You ain't cooking if you aren't making a mess. We were taught. All right, it'll show you when it's cooked. It'll be very delicious. We'll cook the hamburger.
A lot of grease in there, eh? Wow. Oh my god, that's why I'm gonna boil it. That's why I'm gonna boil it. Get all that grease out. Oh my god. Okay, I'll let it cook some more.
Okay, folks, now for our cream style corn. Avril, I want to thank her again for these meals. Oh, look at that. Our potatoes were ready and got that out. And we got the grease out, as you've seen. Yeah, we'll open our can of corn. There it is. Let's get cooking. Okay, we're going to strain it, the second strain. Avril said she took some out. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, Avril said she took out some the first time because there was too much and cooked it a little more. Okay.
Come on.
Oh, you want me to do it? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Now back up. Yep, there. Back up.
Wow. That's very healthy. Boiled it.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Wait. My God, look at all that grease on there. This is why you want to bring that pan back, Michael.
Oh, this one here?
Yeah, look at that.
Whoa, look at that grease. You took out some before too, eh?
Just like a bowl, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we'll get it back in there. No grease in here.
Okay, ready to go.
Alrighty.
There.
What now? We're ready to plate it?
We're gonna plate it, yeah.
Alrighty.
Wow.
Okay, folks, we're ready to plate it. Avril's gonna make a plate, and I'll make a plate too. That's Avril, how she does her plate. I want to use a plate for mine. Oh, but anyways, look. Oh, thank you, Avril, for these meals. This is a healthy meal. Michael and Avril style. Michael on camera.
Wait.
And Avril cooking. Avril and I. Oh, baby corn. Put some on for me. Oh, yummy. Throw some on here too, Avril. A sample. That's good.
Look at no oil on there.
Where's the oil? Okay, all right.
No oil.
Oh, no oil. That close I couldn't even hear.
Yummy.
I'll have to yell at you.
This reminds me of
Okay,
bush food.
yeah. Oh, it reminds of, this was like bush food before.
When we were a kid, yeah.
When Avril was kids. Thank you for reminding me. They used to cook this on a fire. You could also cook it inside. All right. There it is again. So we got hamburger, ground beef, healthy, with no grease. Potatoes, healthy vegetables. And corn, cream style corn, very healthy. Ava got this. What other meals are you gonna make for the kids?
Make hamburger and rice, mix it together.
Oh, hamburger and rice, mix it together. She's gonna mix that in there, and the kids are gonna eat that. And we're gonna have this. All right, let's have a taste test. See you at the table. Healthy. Okay, folks. Healthy meal, Avril and Michael style. Look at that. We got potatoes, cream style corn, ground beef. We'll put some little bit of salt on it. Yeah, some of these meals are for young people, and some of these meals are healthy meals. All right, but anyways, we want to make it educational. And Avril, thank Avril for cooking these meals for us. Let's have a taste test. Potatoes need a little bit more salt. Potatoes are always good, healthy. Hamburger. Get a chunk of hamburger. Oh, too much salt. I'll dip it in here. All right. Hamburger. The hamburger and the corn mixed together makes it awesome. Try it. Thank you, Abel. It's really good. That corn mixed with the ground beef. It's really good. One more bite for you. Try some of that potatoes. It's good. Very good. Thank you again, Avril.
No problem, no problem.
Okay, that was very tasty. I'll finish my meal. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now. Okay, we'll put some of Avril's other meal on it. Yummy. Yeah, this is how I peel it. Yeah. You can get a peeler too also if you like. You get it all peeled and washed up.